being one of the first rapper to ever in my city. I had to explain to people what hip hop was. When I started rapping, a spoken word poet, I was out there, man. I was on the circuit. I was up and down that freeway. If they had a spot or open mic or a showcase, they know about Cat Daddy in the mix. Yes, the Dragon Slayer, the 800-pound gorilla, Cat Daddy in the mix, the beatnik, the wordsmith. They know about that name. Why? Because I was a head chopper. I would come spoken word, but I didn't like slams. I'm not going to get up there and drop a poem about my mother and how much my mom loved me and you give me a 2. No, see, that doesn't give me any artistic value. There's no such thing as good poetry and bad poetry. There's some underworked stuff. There's some stuff that maybe need a rewrite and an edit,